back with another video. Honestly, I was not gonna film tonight because we kind of did like a last minute cruise, and we actually had a lot more cars pop up than usual. And yeah, just go from there. Yeah, hella cars, but we still missing some more cars too, Oki. We're missing like 5 or 6 more cars, but we got a decent lineup tonight. Well, this thing is clean.
A few moments later.
Well, what do we have here, guys? That is gonna be the tint for the windshield. Finally doing it, man. Had this replaced about a month ago, but I just barely received my tint after I ordered it. I was also out in Cali at that time too, so I didn't get a chance to do it when I got back and all that. Right now, I'm going to get this installed. I think he also has my front grille done too. You'll remember that I picked up that front grille piece. We also been waiting PPF for that. Oh, look at that, we're about to hit 87,000 on the car. Boom, 87,000. I bought this car 2 years ago on April 1st. And today's what, the 7th or the 8th, I think? Let's see, what's today? And today's the 7th, April 7th. So now it's already been 2 years that I had this car. And I bought it with 60,000 miles. And keep in mind, I've driven like up north. I've driven down to Tucson, California twice. Where else have I taken it? Other places too. So I've taken it to Mount Lemmon. I've driven this car pretty far, like a lot. So we've already put 27,000 within 2 years. And I don't know, man. I feel like a lot of people just buy these cars to park them, but I drive my cars. I don't care. This is a car that I've always wanted, so I want to drive it. I want to take it out. I don't want to just leave it in the garage, sit in there, because what's the point of doing that? maybe now during summertime, we're coming up on summer, I'll drive it less, not too much, because it's hot, obviously, but during wintertime and during the summer, usually I do work a lot more. Winter as well, but summer, like, I work a lot more. That's just the whole reason of these cars. You buy them, you enjoy them, you drive them, you inspire other people to get them. Because when you don't inspire other people when the car's just sitting there in the freaking garage, you gotta take it out, obviously. But yeah, we're gonna head up to Anthony's shop, do the tint, the grill. Those were my like last few cosmetic touches that I was waiting to do. I just couldn't stand seeing that big freaking crack on my windshield. Some of you asked me like, hey, what's your next thing that you want to do to this car? After that, I want to fix like some more imperfections. Like I still have to replace some other bumper tabs. After that, I'm gonna kind of want to fix that front lip, maybe redo it. My rear diffuser, I have to re-clear it. I still need to ceramic coat this wrap. I still need to coat my wheels too. That's really it. I don't have anything else like that I want to do. I thought about getting those clear taillights. Now let me know what you guys think. What else I should do to this car? I don't want to do crazy overboard. Like I don't want to do too much. I just want to keep it simple, clean. I see some people just going crazy with their builds, but I'm not that kind of guy. I just like my stuff OEM plus. That's really how I like my build. All right, chat. I'm actually gonna bust a mission to Anthony's house right now. I just got here, but he told me that he forgot the front grill piece at his house. So I'm gonna go to his house, pick that up real quick, and we're gonna get that installed as well. Bro's been so busy, he's forgetting things, which happens to the best of us. All right, guys, grill secured. Now we gotta head back to the shop. There's freaking traffic, so we can install that and that. That's all we got planned for today, nothing else. Esa motion body you cannot get in.
Dog Julio, Andre, damn, bro. My dog said, yeah, I really like that.
Hell yeah, brother. Can this camera pick this shit up? No more getting cooked in the sun.
What's the force? It's hard.
It looks like it goes out from the inside though. That's what I don't understand. It doesn't seem like it's touching the R anymore. It seems like it just uses it to slide in there. Did it go on the top of the side? This side?
Finishing up the car beam, and we're about to finish up the windshield right now. Well, we finally got a tinted windshield. But yeah, this is the one we replaced. Better than my old one. Let me show my old one real quick. Here's my old one. It had a lot of like chrome coming off and a bunch of chips right here too. But yeah. All right, guys. If it's not one thing, unfortunately, it's another. This sensor started bugging out on me. Battery took a shit, I believe, because we were sitting in the car, and we kind of left it like this, but all the lights were off. But I think since the door lights were on, it kind of killed the battery. Being that it's 3 years old, it chirped out like all the sensors and everything. So now I gotta bust a mission again to replace the battery with Anthony. But all right, Josh, you give me your card or what? This is the battery that I had on there. So I had this battery on here. It's from 2023. But the thing is, what tripped me out is that all my sensors were tweaking and everything was flashing. Like right here, just kept unlocking and locking by itself. These stayed on, the headlights, the high beam stayed on. I kept getting like a key fob flash thing, even though the key was in there. But we're gonna head to Vato Zone and see if we can fix this issue. Hopefully he does.
Hey, no one's sitting with we got a bench seat. We're sitting with the homies.
Sure,
6 hours later.
Get a new battery. So lucky for me, I guess, I didn't. My warranty expired because the battery that I had in there is no longer available. They discontinued it, so I had to buy a whole new one. And we're about to install it. I hope that fixes the issue because it should fix it. We're like 90% sure it should fix it because we were tinting the car and we must have had something on for it to tweak out because usually I'm familiar with car batteries going out and like there's loss of power, but this wasn't only loss of power, it was just like lights tripping, just being all weird. Yeah, we're gonna try it out and see right now. We'll connect it and hopefully that fixes everything. Oh, we're down there? Yeah, I fell down there. The battery back out. Might not need to. I hear it. You don't have a magnet thing, do you?
Nice life. I'm not BCE. You buy these, dude? Are you okay?
No.
Tighten up.
Huh?
Tighten up.
Bro, I'm not like you, bro. I don't smoke every day.
I don't smoke.
I don't either. I'm an athlete. I got motion, but I don't smoke.
I'm him, bro. I got connects. Bro, how the fuck did I take this off?
Cross your fingers, boys. Let's go.
Oh man, what a nightmare, guys. Literally something so simple as far as installing a freaking grill, which we already finished. It's so simple as like installing a freaking grill and tinting my windows just caused a whole freaking nightmare, bro. But anyways, we got it done. Grill is on. This looks a lot more better now. It flows with the carbon. And my windshield's tinted now, so you can't even like see in it too. I hated driving around without a tinted windshield. Anyways, chat. That was some bullshit. Battery's fixed. Unfortunately, like I mentioned, I couldn't use my warranty because apparently the battery that I had in there, the older one, the brand was discontinued, so I couldn't use my freaking warranty to get a whole new battery. So I had to buy a new one, which whatever. I got a 3-year warranty on that one. We were tinting the windshield. I must have left a light on or something, and maybe with the doors being open, I think because I turned off that top light, I think the door light kind of killed them. So whatever, that's all fixed. We got a new battery, good for 3 years. Out here in Arizona, freaking heat kills these batteries anyways. And before I've had like issues with batteries with cars, but this was different. This was like, I don't know, lights were just glitching and my lights wouldn't even turn off when I had to switch off and on. Like they would not turn off, they stayed on. Like it was just weird signals to me. And then I have a flex fuel sensor. That thing was also beeping, so I couldn't tell if it was something battery wise or something with like, because when we were tinting the car, maybe like, I don't know, water was falling through from spraying for the tint with the steamer, but I don't know. On that note, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you hit the notifications, subscribe, like. We're almost at 1,000 subs. We're getting there, so I appreciate all the support you guys give me. So like always, thanks for tuning in. Drop a like, share this video, like it, share it, whatever. See you in the next one. Peace out.
GTR body car fast, 0 to 160 fast, they be up all in they feelin'. I be up all in my bag, yeah. I know they didn't believe me, I did it, I'm taking off fast, GTR body car fast, 0 to 160 fast, they know I'm popping again.